Welcome to another video on my driving or riding robot discovery made of fischertechnik and based on the TXT controller which runs embedded Linux. The last few episodes I have been trying to get back into the community firmware to run my Python code. And I've been trying to get a connection via Bluetooth most recently. Turned out that the Bluetooth is unavailable for me. So back to an attempt to get the commuter firmware running. Well, that won't be a problem, but getting access to it, that will be a nice challenge. And if you've seen the latest video on my walking robot Meert 2, then there may be a surprise. Hopefully here as well with better result, but let's see whatever happens here. Alright, and with the screencast camera in the same position, just a little bit higher I believe, yes, a little bit higher, but with two terminals, one for now empty, but VNC ready, ready to go to firmware and RoboPro for connection check, if it works. And let's see for this one if I can access it. No, I won't be able to, but let's check anyway. This takes too long, so the question is no. So the answer is no. Oh, then I know why. Silly. Take this one again. Wrong IP address. So this one is 3. This one has to be 4 then, 3 then. Does this still work? No, it won't, because you can see here it's off. Will this one work? Host verification failed. Okay, this was the same last time. And I have to remove this IP address. Check. It asks for password. That is too bad. In the other video you will see that it starts with an with giving access to the memory. So this giving password is working. Oh well, didn't expect that. Yes, it is working fully and completely. How is that possible? I'm happy with it, don't get me wrong, but okay. Well, SSH daemon is off, but I can clearly get access. Then VNC server. Now I have to do the same thing again. Yes, and now I get access. So, by the way, you may have noticed this is not working. This is disconnected. I am on AC adapter. That means that I now will get two objects to see if screen capturing actually works. Just like this does. I'm very curious now. Well, alright, since I really didn't expect that I actually would get access to the controller in the community firmware mode, I expected to have a non-moving driving robot. Except that now that I'm on, not on the floor, but on a desktop, I had to make some preventive measures that it really didn't go driving. So the wheels are not touching surface. Yet two objects, and if you've seen my videos before on this topic, then you are familiar with those objects. So also you can see when the last time was that I actually had access, and that is in July, quite some months ago, because we are November now. Year's the same, but well, anyway, I also started the SSHD service to actually receive the pictures. Oh, and I have to do something else, because battery is empty, which means it's default to set to 1 January 2000, which is, by the way, something different. This is Linux, and if you have a Unix system that has the same problem, it will be set back to 1 January 1970. So that's a difference, but it will be set back anyway. And here we have now the date as in 11 and as in 11. It's 11 November. As you can see, it is 1829. And now, no, I'm doing that wrong. This is correct, yes. Okay, so another thing is now, okay, Python discovery. This should deliver some pictures. Will it? Let's see. Oh, and by the way, this has not changed. The wiring, well, just never changed. Anyway, let's go. Whatever happens, happens. I'm afraid to say that ain't much. And the propeller is running, so that's good. And it requests my password. Corrupt data. Okay. Okay. There's a bit of nuisance. It will be all the same pictures, of course, now. Unless I move the robot forward, like this. But then it will run, and I have to prevent that because it has quite a speed when it does. So let's prevent that anyway. Yep, different picture and different distance for the sonar. Okay, let's quit it. Okay, so now I will have hopefully, images. Better is with the L option, which gives me security. Well, security. If the images are actually larger than 0. So, yeah, okay, that's one thing. And then okay, those are different. That's in a way that's good. So let's do this then. Image 18, 29. Okay, ampersand. See, this is what I want. Nice. And the other one? No. Yeah, and then 30 ampersand as well. Not bad. And let's continue then with the resulting images. That is this one. Oh, I'm much less impressed with this one. That is for certain. Although you can see some red in here. Okay. So this one goes with this one. And no. Oh, come on. So unfortunately not that impressed. How about the other ones? That will be then 30. No. And the last one. Oh, that was the last one. Nope, not impressed by that in any way. So, while that is unfortunate, I, for some reason, have for now my access back to the controller, which I like, obviously. How to go on? I'm not quite sure, because that remains on the fact that whether or not I get access next time. But this gives some hope at least. And the weird feeling, because why do I suddenly have access back? After so many times that they refused the password, now not anymore? Why? How? I don't get it. But given time, I'll leave it at this. So with this very clear, unexpected result that I got my access back, I say thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please show support by donating via either PayPal or IBAN. More information on my website. You can also become a patron. Have your name mentioned, becoming a co-producer, whatever. See my Patreon page, please. This is going to be continued, obviously. So for now, once again, thank you for watching. Stay safe. Bye.